In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Steam. If you're looking to update the currency on your Steam account, perhaps due to a recent move or just a change in your preference, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's straightforward and should take you no more than 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Steam application. This can be on your desktop or, if you prefer, using the website version on your browser. Once you have it open, look for the login option. You'll need to sign into your account to proceed. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and input your account name and password. Then, click on the Sign In button, and you'll be directed to your Steam homepage. On your Steam homepage, direct your attention to your profile, usually at the top or upper right section of the screen. Click on your profile, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Details. This is where you'll find various options regarding your account settings. As you scroll through your account details page, look for the option that says Update Store Country. Clicking on this won't directly change your currency, but it lays the groundwork because your currency is tied to your store country settings. Clicking it will open a page asking if you want to contact Steam support. You need to go through Steam support to change your currency settings officially. Click on Contact Steam Support, and a new page will load. Here, Steam support will provide options for you to proceed with your query. Click on Contact Steam Support one more time to ensure you're in communication with their support team. The next step is crucial, as you will need to select your country of residence from a drop-down menu. This choice should reflect the country that corresponds to the currency you wish to use. After selecting your country of residence, you'll have the option to type in a request to change your currency. Be specific in your request, explaining any necessary details that might help Steam support understand why you are making this change. Following this, specify your new store country clearly to avoid any confusion. Once your request is drafted and complete, click on the Send button. After you've submitted your request, Steam support will review it and make the necessary changes to your account. You should receive a notification once your request has been processed. Finally, after Steam has made the changes, you will see your new currency displayed the next time you log into your Steam account. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Steam support directly for further assistance. Enjoy your shopping in your newly updated currency.